MarineMax Fort Myers. This is our 2020 290 Sundeck Outboard by Sea Ray. This boat has the black gel coat, black tower, and is powered by twin 250 horsepower Mercury Verados. So we're up on the boat now. I'll give you a walkthrough. With these new Verados, you can easily check the oil. There's a dipstick right here and an oil fill. Prevents you from taking off the entire cowling. Really nice feature. The boat has white interior with SDX on the platform and the infinity woven vinyl carpet inside. Great layout for entertaining, going to the beach, friends and family. Tons of comfortable seating. Nice little wet bar here with a fridge, storage and a sink. So at the helm, it's all fly-by-wire controls with joystick steering. The joystick is going to help you dock. It also has autopilot and auto heading. Really nice, clean dash, easy to read. Fusion stereo. Huge head compartment on this boat. Vacuum flush system with a sink. So moving forward towards the bow, there is a bracket for a bow table. This boat really carries its beam well forward, so even in the bow you have a bunch of room. Good sound system up here also. Very comfortable loungers. And this one also has a windlass and a freshwater sprayer. So if you'd like to see this boat in person, please visit us at MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.